In the mid-20th century, science and politics collided in a way that would change the course of human history forever. This is the story of two brilliant minds, Albert Einstein, the world's most famous physicist, and J. Robert Oppenheimer, the enigmatic father of the atomic bomb. Together, though indirectly, they paved the way for the creation of one of the most destructive weapons mankind has ever seen. Let's start with Albert Einstein. By the 1930s, Einstein was already a global icon of science, thanks to his theory of relativity, which had revolutionized our understanding of time, space, and energy. However, Einstein himself was a pacifist, strongly opposed to war and violence. So how did this peace-loving scientist contribute to the development of the nuclear bomb? It all began with Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared. This groundbreaking formula demonstrated the relationship between mass and energy, revealing that even a small amount of matter could release an enormous amount of energy. Though Einstein did not work directly on nuclear weapons, his theoretical insights laid the foundation for nuclear physics. The world was changing rapidly. In the 1930s, Adolf Hitler's rise to power in Germany led to widespread persecution of scientists, including Einstein, who fled to the United States in 1933. Many other scientists, such as Leo Szilard and Edward Teller, also escaped Nazi Germany, bringing their expertise to America. In 1939, physicists discovered nuclear fission, the process of splitting an atomic nucleus to release vast amounts of energy. This breakthrough alarmed many scientists who feared that Nazi Germany might develop nuclear weapons first. It was Leo Szilard who persuaded Einstein to co-sign a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt. This letter warned about the potential for a German atomic bomb and urged the U.S. to accelerate its nuclear research. That letter, delivered in October 1939, set the wheels in motion for what would become the Manhattan Project. This brings us to J. Robert Oppenheimer. While Einstein's role was limited to sparking the initial interest in nuclear research, Oppenheimer was the one who led the charge to make the bomb a reality. In 1942, the U.S. government officially launched the Manhattan Project, a top-secret initiative to build an atomic bomb. General Leslie Groves selected Oppenheimer as the scientific director of the project. Oppenheimer, a theoretical physicist with a deep understanding of quantum mechanics, assembled a team of some of the brightest minds in science. Together, they worked tirelessly in the remote deserts of Los Alamos, New Mexico, to design and construct the world's first nuclear weapons. The Manhattan Project was a massive undertaking involving thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians. They faced numerous technical and ethical challenges. Theoretical models had to be turned into practical designs, and experimental results were often uncertain. But after years of intense work, the team achieved a breakthrough. On July 16, 1945, the first successful test of a nuclear bomb, codenamed Trinity, was conducted in the New Mexico desert. The explosion lit up the sky and sent shockwaves across the land. Oppenheimer famously quoted the Bhagavad Gita, saying, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." Just weeks after the Trinity test, the United States dropped 2 atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, bringing World War II to a devastating end. The bombings killed tens of thousands instantly and left many more suffering from radiation effects. The world had entered the nuclear age, with consequences that would echo through history. Both Einstein and Oppenheimer reflected deeply on their roles in the creation of the bomb. Einstein later regretted signing the letter to Roosevelt, stating that he had no idea it would lead to such destruction. Oppenheimer, too, was haunted by his work. He became an advocate for nuclear disarmament, famously testifying before Congress and facing political persecution during the Red Scare. The story of Einstein and Oppenheimer is one of brilliance and tragedy, a testament to the dual-edged nature of scientific discovery. Their work serves as a reminder of the incredible power of human ingenuity and the profound responsibility that comes with it. Today, as we continue to grapple with the legacy of nuclear weapons, their story remains as relevant as ever. Subscribe to our channel for more stories that shape the world. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts.